WhatsApp usually compresses photos to save space and make sharing faster, which can reduce image quality. So, if you want to share photos in their original quality, like travel photos or documents, WhatsApp has a built in HD photo option. So, here's how you can send HD photos on WhatsApp. Go ahead, open your WhatsApp application, log into your account, and go to the chat where you want to send the photo. Now you need to go ahead and tap on the attachment icon or the plus icon in the iPhone. Now choose gallery or photos and videos and pick the photo that you want to send. After selecting the photo, you will see the HD icon in the top of the screen. Go ahead and tap on that. As this photo is not HD resolution, I cannot set it to HD, but you can try it in your own photo. Then tap on the send button that is in the bottom right corner of your screen and you'll be done. Your photo will be sent in HD quality. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.